Hello everyone, it's Sama here back to you with a new dish. So today what I'm going to make is called chili chicken. The name itself is appetizing. Well, it's made with some boneless chicken pieces and cooked with big chunks of capsicum, onion, chopped ginger, garlic, vinegar and soya sauce. Chili chicken is usually made in two styles, dry and with gravy. And I am going with a gravy one. So let's go on and take a look at it. Firstly, we have a 350 grams of cubed boneless chicken. Then we will be adding in half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, well it's optional, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of white flour. Then we will combine them all well with the chickens. Now add about 2 tablespoons of water and again mix it well with the chickens. Now we will directly take them to fry. There's no need for any sort of marination. Here we have placed the pan over the stove and heated oil on it for frying the chickens. Gently drop the chickens and fry them evenly from both sides. Fry them from both sides until they get a golden brown color. Now we will take them out from the stove to a plate and keep it aside. Again, we take the same oil in which we fry the chickens in a pan and heat it. Here we have thinly sliced 3 cloves of garlic and about 1 tablespoon of thinly sliced ginger. Now we drop them on the oil and fry them until they get a bit reddish color. Then adding in 1 cup of diced onions. And now a half cup of green capsicum. These are also diced like the onions. Now cook them in this manner for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm adding 2 to 3 pieces of halved green chili to enhance the taste of the curry. And some salt as per requirement. I'm adding half teaspoon. Then 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix them a bit and then add half a cup of water. And again stir. Here we add a 2 tablespoons mixture of corn flour and water. Again we add some more tomato sauce as per our taste. Now finally, it's the time to mix the chickens with the gravy. So we pour them and mix it well with the gravy. Then keep it covered for about 5 to 7 minutes. After some time, we add some sugar to balance the taste of the curry. And again, mix it a bit. And again, keep it covered for 2 minutes for the oil to come up. And this is it. Our curry is totally prepared to serve, eat and enjoy.
Hi everyone, let me tell you one thing. It smells so good and you are surely going to repent if you don't try this at home. Now, like, share, subscribe. I am dying to taste it quickly. Bye!
I have written this whole recipe in both English and Bangla in the description box below for your convenience. And if you have any queries, you can tell me in the comment box below. And now hoping that you all like my video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it to stay updated about my new videos. And lastly, thank you all for watching my video. Hoping to see you again in the next video.